So hey guys, it's me Natalie Wood here, and today's video is going to be about basically, I don't really know, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is this slime that I have. I got it from, do not know where I got it from. Oh well, so, and it has a little dinosaur in it, so I'm going to try and get him out of there. So first of all, opening it. Oh, that's tough. Oh, look at that game. That is so slimy. Ew, so slimy. Well, that breaks easily. Wait, what, did I say easily? That breaks very hard. Jeez. Basically, the instruments what I have is this is some thingy. I don't know what you call them, whatever. So I'm trying to get the dinosaur out of it. This will take ages. I'll try not to cut any of his legs off. Let me try these things, whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. Comment down below if you know what these things are called. These things. Because I completely forgot what they're called. Jeez. I'm such a dirtbag. Oh, this will take ages. This is so hard. So whilst I'm doing this, I'm going to share a few things with you. So on Monday we made, in school we made these like fudge pieces and peppermints, and tomorrow is going to be the cake, not the cake sale, the thingy sale, and the other classes all did that as well, where they did something different like Rocky Road things and chocolate spoons, cupcakes and stuff. Oh, this is so hard getting slime off. So, I don't really know what to talk about. So this is basically open. I'm just going to start off. Okay, come on. Come on. There. So this is basically my finished thing, guys. That's his head. This is his tail. Let me just show you closer. That's his head right there. His tail. I'm not really sure which dinosaur this is. And now I remember where I got him from. Oh, I got him from the Liverpool Museum. So, I'm just trying to get him. There you go, I'm just putting him. So look at this blue slime. It says blue and it says slimy. Ew, ew. Oh, ew. That actually rhymes. Ew, ew, oh, poo. Great, no? Whatever. So basically, this is just amazing slime. Let me just show you. Look, I can stretch it like this. And then it's kind of like glass. You can see my face kind of. Look at that, it's completely see. Look how it ripped. The first time I ripped it, it felt a bit kind of weird because I was like trying to push it. And then I was twisting it and ripping it. This is kind of like the ripped part. Let's see. There it is. Let me just rip it one more time. So I need to do this and rip it apart. Look. So, I know I'm wearing a very weird outfit. Whatever. And then I'm gonna take you up. That was a very weird face. I'm gonna take you up. Wait, before I take you up, well basically this is the end of the video. So, make sure, please comment down below and like, subscribe to this video, and the question. So today's question of the day is going to be, what is your favourite colour slime? Mine is obviously blue. My friend's is blue as well, which is then yellow. So basically, bye bye, I love you guys, bye. I taped you up. I taped you up.